Hello friends. I am creating exhaustive list of MCQ for Servicenow certified system admin. Please like, share, subscribe to stay connected. Please mention in comment what other topics question you want as MCQ. 50. Which role is typically responsible for approving change requests? A. Change manager. B. Incident manager. C. Catalog administrator. D. Service desk agent. Answer: A. Change manager. 51. What is the primary goal of problem management in Servicenow? A. Record and manage incidents. B. Prevent the recurrence of incidents by identifying and managing root causes. C. Automate catalog item requests. D. Manage user roles and permissions. Answer: B. Prevent the recurrence of incidents by identifying and managing root causes. 52. How is a problem typically created in Servicenow? A. Through an incident record. B. Directly in the problem management module. C. As part of a change request. D. Via a service catalog item. Answer: A. Through an incident record. 53. What is a known error in problem management? A. A request that is not yet assigned. B. An incident with no root cause. C. A problem with a documented root cause and workaround. D. A change request that failed. Answer: C. A problem with a documented root cause and workaround. 54. Which role is responsible for analyzing and resolving problems? A. Problem manager. B. Change manager. C. Incident manager. D. Service desk agent. Answer: A. Problem manager. 55. What is a workaround in the context of problem management? A. A temporary fix for a known error. B. A method to bypass security controls. C. A way to automate workflows. D. A report to track incidents. Answer: A. A temporary fix for a known error. 56. What is the primary purpose of configuration management in Servicenow? A. Manage incidents and service requests. B. Track and manage IT assets and configuration items. CIs. C. Automate catalog item requests. D. Define user roles and permissions. Answer: B. Track and manage IT assets and configuration items. Sys. 57. What is a configuration item? CI. In Servicenow. A. A component that can be tracked and managed within the IT infrastructure. B. A request in the service catalog. C. A type of report. D. A user role. Answer: A. A component that can be tracked and managed within the IT infrastructure. 58. How is a configuration management database, CMDB, used in Servicenow? A. Store and manage data about configuration items. B. Define user roles and permissions. C. Track incidents and problems. D. Create and manage workflows. Answer: A. Store and manage data about configuration items. 59. What does a C relationship represent? A. The connection between different configuration items. B. A type of catalog item. C. An incident record. D. A change request. Answer: A. The connection between different configuration items. 60. Which module would you use to manage configuration items and their relationships? A. Configuration management. B. Incident management. C. Service catalog. D. Change management. Answer: A. Configuration Management. 61. What is the purpose of Integration Hub in ServiceNow? A. Manage data imports and exports. B. Create and manage integrations with external systems. C. Define user roles and permissions. D. Track and manage incidents. Answer. B. Create and manage integrations with external systems. 62. Which tool would you use to schedule regular data exports? A. Import set scheduler. B. Data export tool. C. Integration Hub. D. Business rule. Answer. B. Data export tool. 63. What does the Transform Map feature allow you to do? A. Map imported data to fields in ServiceNow. B. Create new user roles. C. Define UI policies. D. Manage data exports. Answer. A. Map imported data to fields in ServiceNow. 64. How can you ensure data consistency during imports? A. By using data transformation maps. B. By configuring UI policies. C. By setting up access control rules. D. By creating business rules. Answer. A. By using data transformation maps. 65. What is the purpose of the Integration Hub spokes? A. Provide pre-built integration capabilities for popular third-party applications. B. Define new catalog items. C. Manage user roles and permissions. D. Track and manage incidents. Answer. A. Provide pre-built integration capabilities for popular third-party applications. 66. What is the purpose of notifications in ServiceNow? A. Send alerts and updates to users based on specific conditions. B. Design new forms. C. Automate data imports. D. Configure UI policies. Answer. A. Send alerts and updates to users based on specific conditions. 67. How can you create a new notification in ServiceNow? A. Through the Notifications module. B. By modifying a business rule. C. Using the workflow editor. D. In the form designer. Answer. A. Through the Notifications module. 68. What is a notification condition used for? A. Define when a notification should be sent. B. Design new catalog items. C. Configure field options. D. Manage user roles. Answer. A. Define when a notification should be sent. 69. Which of the following can be used as notification recipients in ServiceNow? A. Users, groups, and email addresses. B. Only user roles. C. Only user groups. D. Only email addresses. Answer. A. Users, groups, and email addresses. 70. What is a notification template? A. A predefined format for notifications that can include dynamic content. B. A tool to manage data imports. C. A method to automate business processes. D. A type of UI policy. Answer. A. A predefined format for notifications that can include dynamic content. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and support.